Okay, so you're gonna need some tools for this project, right? So you're gonna need a ruler, a marker, some thread, some string, which is different from the thread, some chalk, some garden tarp, some knives, a staple gun, of course with staples, a jigsaw, a hole saw, and of course, a lot of duct tape. But that is not all. Okay, we also need a 4x4 piece of wood with a hole cut out like Dylan is showing, and we're gonna need an extension cord.
So what we did was we took 36 diameter inches, in inches, that's important because that's the right size for our people to sit on it without falling or breaking the board. You guys can adjust the size with your materials or, the size of your person. Well, no offense. So after we cut out the circle, we need a hole for our vacuum. It needs to be exactly the same size of your vacuum. We need to hug it tightly so it doesn't fall to the ground.
So how many holes do we recommend?
How many holes do we need? How many holes do we need, teacher? So with 6 holes on the tarp, our air pressure is too high and the tarp kind of broke down and it has holes at the end of the experiment, so we tried to increase the amount of holes to release some of the air pressure. But the problem that we had with this, which is 10 holes, is that our holes are too centralized. There's a lot of air pressures on the side, so we decided to decrease the holes in the center to 8 and then added 5 more on the side to release the overall pressure.
Excuse me, I don't understand something. How is this even supposed to work?
To answer your question, I'll draw a picture to explain it to you. So when we had this experiment, our board when it's running, it looks like this. This is our board and this is our tarp. There's too much pressure that's going on here that almost broke our board. And it also didn't really give us much height because the pressure is like all coming down in the center. And with this board that we eventually went with, it was looking like this because there was more holes to release the pressure, so the pressures are evenly contributed. So it was like slightly higher than the other one.